We learn that objects are visible because of the light getting reflected from their surfaces. This reflected light enters our eye and we see that object. What happens inside the human eye when light rays enter it? What is that help us see the things around us? The human eye is roughly spherical in shape. What are we going to do in this video is understand the different parts of the eye in short, not in extreme detail. Let's begin. The outer layer of the eye is called the cornea. It is white in color and transparent. Transparent? Yes, it means that it allows light to pass through it. In fact, cornea refracts or bends the light passing through it, and much of the refraction inside the eye is done by the cornea only. But wait, it not only reflects light but also protects the inner parts of the eye. It acts like a tough front wall of the eye, protecting the interior of the eye from accident and also does not allowing foreign particles to enter. Okay, so this was all about the outer layer of the eye. Let us talk about the things present inside. Behind the cornea, there is a dark muscular structure called iris. Iris determines the color of the eye. For instance, when we say that person has blue eyes, it means that color of the iris of the person's eye is blue. Now there is a small opening at the center of the iris for the light to enter. Do you know what it's called? It's called the pupil. The iris actually acts like a shutter of a camera. It controls the amount of light entering the eye by enlarging or shrinking and thereby adjusting the size of the pupil. For example, when you focus the light from the torch directly into a person's eye, the iris shrinks. This is because the intensity of the light is too much for the eyes to bear. The shrinking iris stops the unwanted light from entering through the pupil. And when it's dark or when there is less light to enter, allowing more light to enter through the following, the iris enlarge. The light that enters through the pupil falls on the lens kept behind. This lens is called biconvex lens. We already know that it has a lens which is thicker at the center. It is converging lens. That is, it focuses all the light at one point. In normal regular eye, this point is somewhere here on the inner boundary called retina. Why do I say a normal eye? Well, in a defective eye, the point of focus may lie either in the front of the retina or behind of the retina. We will talk about this defect of eye in our future videos, but first learn about our normal eye. When light is focused on the retina, retina is at the back of the eye and marks the inner layer of the eyeball. The retina contains lot of nerve cells that sense the eyes. The nerve cells are of two kinds, namely cones which are sensitive to bright light and rods which are sensitive to dim light. The message or sensation is then transferred to the brain along the optic nerve. Okay, let's quickly recap what we learned about the human eye. Human eye has roughly spherical shape. The outer part of the eye called cornea is a thick white transparent wall which protects the eye from accidents and keep the foreign particle from entering inside. Behind the cornea, the colorful part of the eye is called iris. Iris is present. It has a small opening at the center called pupil. Iris controls the light entering through the pupil by contracting and expanding. Behind the pupil, there is a converging lens which focused on retina. Retina consists of two types of nerve cells, namely cones and rods. They transfer the message through the optic nerve.